Hello guys, if your computer is lagging and you want to get back to the original state when installing a Win but don't want to reinstall a Win, today we're going to show you how to restart your computer back to a new state without having to install a Win. First, you click on the Windows icon and select Settings. Here, you select Update and Security. In this setting, you choose to recover. In this recovery section, there are two items, Reset this PC and Advanced Startup. If you click on the Restart button now of the Advanced Startup, the machine will start in the Choose an Option mode. You choose Troubleshoot, and in this window there are two options, Reset this PC and Advanced Options. You choose Reset this PC. Here, keep my files. I will delete all apps and settings, but I will retain the data and the files, and removing everything will delete all the apps, data settings, and files on the computer. Yours. If you want your computer to be as new as when you bought it, choose to remove everything. Want to retain the data? Then select Keep My Files, then Keep If, and then choose Keep My Files, and the machine will reboot, and go to login screen like this. You click on the login to enter. If your computer has a login password, then enter. Then choose Continue. I don't have a pass, so leave it empty and choose Continue. If you have a cloud hosting account, select Cloud Download, or select Local Reinstall. The screen will show that the settings of the Windows will return. By default, retain your computer's files, reinstall settings, and remove installed apps and programs. If you're sure you want to reset, choose Reset. The machine will start and reset. You wait for the reset and reinstall. In this process, you have to keep the computer powered because if you turn it off, it will cause an error and take more than 30 minutes. So we'll be quick. After the reset and reinstall, your computer has been reset. When the machine is installed, then the first thing you need to do is turn off the weather forecast and avoid lagging the tab later. Right-click on the taskbar to select News and Interests, then turn off, then remove unnecessary applications at. The second is to update the driver as well as the necessary updates for Windows. You click the mouse on the Windows icon, select the setting, then select the Update and Security. Here, you click the mouse on the Check for Updates. To update the machine, the update will notify the restart. You can choose to restart the kernel or leave it later. So I've taught you how to reset your computer to its original state without reinstalling Windows. If you see or like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos.